As podcasters, we all face creative slumps from time to time, and it can be frustrating when we can't come up with new ideas of content for our shows. But don't worry, AI is here to help you come up with fresh content ideas even when your brain won't. Creative slumps can happen due to burnout, a lack of inspiration or new ideas, stress, personal issues, or changes in your schedule. These are natural parts of the creative process and everyone experiences them. AI is a tool that can help you overcome these obstacles and generate new ideas for your podcast. In this video, we are going to focus on ChatGPT, but you can take the prompts used and insert them into whatever AI website you prefer. All prompt templates used in this video are listed in the description. This is an extremely simple process and will take you no time to get your brain thinking creatively again. All you need to do is provide ChatGPT with a text prompt related to your podcast or video topic, and it will generate ideas and suggestions that you can use for your content. So let's open up ChatGPT. I've linked it in the description. The first thing that you need to do is prep ChatGPT to understand what your content is about and who your target audience is. To do this, simply write, "This is my podcast description," and insert your podcast description that you have already written on your podcast hosting site. Then write, "Who is my target audience?" Now the chatbot will have information about what your podcast is about and who you are creating content for. You want to give ChatGPT as much background information as possible to make its suggestions more customized to your specific podcast. As you give prompts to ChatGPT, try to include examples from your podcast so that it has a baseline to work with. Let's go over 10 examples of prompts you can use. For this video, we will develop some ideas for Riverside's Hit Publish podcast. It can be hard to constantly generate new episode and topic ideas, especially if you release episodes frequently. Here are a couple prompts to help you. Give me 5 episode ideas for my podcast. Past episodes include 3 examples. Can you suggest a topic or trend in my industry that I can do a deep dive on in an episode? Now, say you have a previous episode that performed really well. Perhaps you want to cover something similar. What is another angle I could cover about this topic? And insert the topic that you previously covered. I already have an episode that covers, and insert a brief episode description. Let's say you're a podcast host who focuses on interviews with experts in your field. You've already interviewed all the big names, and you're struggling to come up with new guests. Give me 3 guest ideas for an episode on, and insert your episode idea. Past episodes and guests include, and insert 3 examples. Now you can even use AI to generate an email for one of the suggested guests. Write me an email to reach out to and insert the guest's name. Perhaps you want to include a new segment in your episodes to try to get your listeners more engaged. Generate some engaging segment ideas that I can insert into my episodes. Or, what is an engagement segment idea that I can use in the episode, and insert your episode name. Maybe you have a really big episode coming up and you want to promote it in an impactful way. What are 3 impactful promotional ideas to promote the episode, and insert the episode name on and include your preferred promotional platform? For example, what are 3 impactful ways to promote the episode, insert episode name, on Twitter? What are 3 impactful promotional ideas to promote the episode, insert your episode name, on LinkedIn? Creative slumps are a normal part of the creative process, but AI can help you to overcome these obstacles and generate new ideas for your podcast. By using tools like ChatGPT, you can easily generate new content ideas that are customized to your specific podcast and target audience. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. And before you go, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss another video from Riverside. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.